Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. This is Siren 96. It's rotating. It's on at the corner of Beckett Street and Silverton Avenue here in Tujunga, California. It's right next to Pinewood Elementary School. There's a map where I'm at. Tujunga, just outside Sunland. There it is. It's another rotating. The dish is all peeled the paint, and I'll check the electrical. There's wires are cut at the insulators, and there's no drop wire coming down. So this one, no electric to this one. And this tree is starting to overtake it. Well, it's growing into it. Pretty soon it'll probably overtake it. There you go, just another air raid siren in Los Angeles. Siren 96 here in Tujunga. On right next to Pinewood Elementary School. All right, thanks for watching.